I was awarded a research scholarship through Lungitude, and this is called the Jeff Gittus Lung Transplant Fellowship, and it is dedicated to improving lung transplant patient outcomes. So the candidates for lung transplant, while you're on the waiting list, they're often frail, they have weak muscles and very low activity levels, along with low weight. And that's a consequence of the respiratory disease. Now, following the transplant, these patients complete our program. So to reverse both that pre-lung transplant state, but also to reverse those medication side effects. Post-lung transplant, there can be an increase in overall weight, I think, as most people know, but there's little data on exactly what that increase consists of. Is it fat, is it muscle, or is it just fluid because of your kidneys? So this study, the Jeff Gittus Fellowship study, will utilise what we call bioelectrical impedance analysis, which is BIA, which is a machine that weighs you and analyses the composition of your weight. We'll also be using two-dimensional ultrasound to assess skeletal muscle health and quality, to assess how fat the muscles have become and to assess what the fibre types are there. And that ultrasound machine was one of the machines that we got from Lungitude. So we couldn't do the research project unless we had the support of Lungitude to do it. In addition, we'll be using a new method to assess muscle strength called a dynameter. And this is a state-of-the-art muscle strength measuring machine that connects back to an app on your phone. So it's very user-friendly, it's much easier, and it's very accurate. And again, this is something that we've received from a grant from Lungitude. So these muscle assessments in combination with some nutritional and functional other tests will give us a better targeted nutritional and exercise program. And a key feature of this study is the collaboration in research between the physiotherapy department and the nutrition department. So we haven't ever worked side by side together like this before. So it's a true teamwork project. So unfortunately, of course, the project got delayed with COVID, but hopefully it will commence shortly. And I am extremely grateful to Lungitude for providing the equipment and for providing the funding, the staff cost for being able to complete this project. And of course, we will disseminate the results around the world as well when we're finished.